Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Dagknight DOG token. Ticker symbol is DOGK. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, October 12th. And we're going to go over the information on the Dagknight DOG token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Dagknight DOG will be one of the first KRC20 meme coins to launch on Kasplex. So, it says the guardian of Kaspa. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. At Dagknight DOG on Twitter, they have a blue verified checkmark, 79 tweets. There is a link to their Telegram right there, a link to their webpage, a full link tree, and 15,700 Twitter followers already. Ticker symbol for this token is DOGK. The name Dagknight DOG, it reminds me of Darkwing Duck, that old cartoon from the 90s, I guess. And yeah, so it's a meme coin on the KRC20 protocol on Kaspa, and this token is being listed tomorrow, October 12th at 11 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search DOGK, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there is some other tokens recently being listed on Lbank as well. Just yesterday, the CSI 888 token got listed on there, ticker symbol CSI. It is a world premiere listed October 10th, so check that token out as well. I may do a video on that token, not sure yet. But yeah, so this token here, if you go to their link tree, you're going to find two different telegrams. One's a members telegram. You can find that one at Dagknight DOG on Telegram. 7,756 members on there. 1,523 of them are online. And Telegram is a great place to join the discussion with other community members, ask questions, talk about the project, that type of thing. And yeah, so their webpage is linked on there, dagknightdog.com. Now the other Telegram channel is the announcement channel. That one is at DOGK Announcements, 1,083 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But that one's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the projects, like new token listings, new partnerships, updates, all that type of stuff. Memes. Everybody needs to see the newest, freshest memes. So you could check that out on the Telegram announcement channel, and you can also see that same sort of similar stuff on their Twitter, which I'm going to put up again right in the corner of the screen there. So if you go to their webpage, dagknightdog.com, it says here they have a YouTube channel, also a TikTok. Dagknight DOG continues his adventures in the world the ever-evolving world of blockchain, inspiring others to prioritize security and innovation while adding a touch of fun and whimsy to the crypto space. Take advantage of the first market movers with Kaspa's KRC20 meme coins. There is a total supply, it says, of 10 billion DOGK tokens. Now, 70% of these tokens go to the community airdrop. So a lot of the tokenomics, the token allocation is going to airdrops. 10% will go to marketing, 5% to team and advisors, and 15% to maintenance. Now, it says 20% public airdrop schedule. So they have a schedule on their webpage. It says initial distribution of 20%, which is going to be 1,402,500,000 tokens, followed by 80% of the remaining supply, 5,610,000,000 tokens, distributed equally over 8 months. So you'll be able to follow the airdrop progress on their page. Right now it says 0%, but as it goes over the 8 months, you'll be able to see what's done airdrop wise. There's a button on the page here, I guess, where you could have clicked on, but it says airdrop registrations are closed, so it might be too late. But so it says, who is DOGK? The early days. In a small tech-savvy town lived a curious and adventurous dog named Dag. Dag was no ordinary dog. He had a unique talent for understanding technology. From a young age, Dag would spend hours watching his owner code and explore the world of cryptocurrencies. His favorite toy was a little block Dag model his owner had made. So, the awakening, one stormy night, while playing, a bolt of lightning struck Dag's house. Miraculously, Dag was unharmed, but something extraordinary happened. He gained the ability to solve the trilemma. Dag became Dagknight Dog, the first and only canine capable of navigating and guarding the vast decentralized world of BlockDag. So the quest, Dagknight Dog realized his newfound powers and came with a responsibility. The blockchain world filled with valuable information and digital assets needed a guardian. So Dag decided to embark on a quest to protect this realm from hackers, bugs, and malicious entities. Equipped with a digital armor made of advanced cryptography algorithms, Dagknight Dog set out to ensure the integrity and security of the BlockDag. The legend grows. So news of the dog's heroic deeds spread across the crypto community, and then a meme coin was created, and then it shows you how to apply for whitelist on their page here. So it says install the Casware wallet, Google Chrome extension. So, I mean, there's different ways to get this token as well. You could check out their webpage, dagknightdog.com. So maybe Lbank is not available in your country. There will be other ways to get this token as well. So check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Dagknight Dog? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.